If you're in the passenger seat, you're Okay, vlog number 1. We're going to feed the cows. We give our beefs and our heifers corn every single day.
I'm being attacked.
This happens every single day. This right here is Floyd.
Say hi.
This is Lisa. This is Floyd. And this right here is Bandit.
Got the walruses in the back.
Don't drop it. That's
I'm not going.
Should I have got my little stand and holder?
I mean, it would have been helpful, but
Okay, I'll run upstairs. Our timing belt's a little too small for this gator, so it works though. Oh, that one was smooth. Stop number 1. We gotta feed the kitty cats. Oh yeah, maybe I should grab the food. We have 2 barn cats. The back. We got Butter. Butter's the big one in the back. And then we got Honey. Miss Honey likes to hide behind this painting that we have in the barn. I don't know why we got it in the barn, but we like to decorate.
okay.
But yeah, that's the first stop of the feeding tour. Second stop is these fine ladies. Look how gorgeous. Now look at them fancy heifers. There's the bull. But first we gotta get their food. We can't just carry it with us because they eat a lot. So that's the next step. We'll be right back, lady. All right. We also have these chickens right here. We used to have 7, and we're down to 3. 3 roosters. We keep our corn in this big old thing. That sounded sturdy because there's a lot of corn inside. We grind it, we grow it and grind it ourselves.
Homegrown corn to feed our homegrown cows.
Homegrown beef.
Yeah.
Cue the song Homegrown. Oh, I'm off sync, I'm on the wrong side.
Yeah. Did you overflow it again?
Rookie mistake. It's okay. It's okay. Perfect. Now, even though these hats are some great fashionable choices, we have to wear them. Otherwise, if you just washed your hair, no, you didn't. There's
Cause it's a little dusty.
Okay. Get in the back. You two, get back there. Get in the back. Get in the back. They know what they're doing. Yeah, you guys see all that dust in the air? Yeah, that's why we wear hats. Y'all think it's good? Y'all think it's good? Okay, next stop, gotta refill our buckets and then we're gonna go feed the beefs. Beefs are what are the steers, aka boys that ain't got no balls.
The castrated males, if you will.
Yep. They are the ones that are typically turned into beefs, turned into burgers, steaks.
Guys! Why are you always causing problems?
Turned into burgers and steaks and stuff like that. So yeah, that's who we're gonna feed next. We want them nice and fat and juicy, so we can have nice, fat, and juicy steaks.
And because they're hungry.
And because they're hungry. Okay, we're gonna refill. Okay, on to we just reloaded, didn't we, boys?
I filled them this time.
She
Only
filled-
spilled a little.
Now we are on our way to feed the beast.
Ooh, that breeze feels nice.
This is our AC.
Our AC is the sweet air of nature.
To do your job. Wait, no, I gotta.
Sorry.
If you're in the passenger seat. Oh no!
Fuck, unless it was chaotic.
Oh no! Anyway, as I was saying, she's called the gate boss. Hold on, let me through first.
I'm trying to.
Meow.
The
Meow.
D-string did not hold it.
Here they come. All of the cows are trained to the sound of the gator.
But it's okay, I got it to where it won't fall over for right now.
That's what matters. Y'all enjoying that? Huh? Is it good? Yummy.
As long as they don't touch it, it won't fall over again.
And just like that, we are done feeding. It's really easy. It's a chore.
It's a lot of corn.
It's a chore and it's dusty and you tell him, Floyd. You tell him. Bye.
Bye.